Hello everyone. This is a presentation on shrink wrap techniques and how to use it and to your advantage as a designer. Shrink wrap is a material that, when heated, applies sort of film to any sort of object tightly. It's used in food packaging such as soda cans and beer cans and any like basically supermarket food uses some type of shrink wrapping label. Or any hot objects such as CDs or software or anything like that. The types of shrink wrap and the pros and cons of each. Punch shrink wrap is PVC shrink wrap. It's third most plastic produced in the world. It's mainly used for CDs and software items and non-edible items. The disadvantages of it are weather, because in weather, if it gets too cold, it gets hard and it breaks, and if it gets too hot, it starts to melt. And in order to produce it, you have to have proper ventilation. Polyolefin shrink wrap has a strong seal. It's used mainly for food items, but it can be used for toys and sporting goods. Because it isn't highly, what's the word I'm looking for? It doesn't produce a toxin, which, it's edible to eat. Or, I mean, you shouldn't eat it, but it won't hurt you if it, yeah. The disadvantages are the cost. It's way more costly to produce than PVC, and the machine compatibility, because some types of products don't have a machine capable for it. The benefits of using shrink wrap in a design. 360-degree branding, which instead of having branding on, let's say, a poster, which is one-sided, you get the whole can or bottle to design or brand colors and whatnot. The appearance retention, I'm thinking because of the brand colors, it being a shelf bottle, you can kind of stand out more in an area of and shelf impact, such as the longer shelf life and the ability to put on brand identity, anti-theft properties. one con about shrink wrap is it distorts your design. Way back when you had to do basically trial and error, which you printed out of the label on the product, see what works, see what didn't, go back to the design, and it was a lot of hassle. But now there is 3D software such as I don't know, whatever, that you can use that puts your design on the bottle without you even printing off copy. And some designs even have mock-ups of shelf designs, so you can look and see how your product is gonna stack up on the competition. It's a good idea to still run a sample, because sometimes there's distortion in the seal and in small letters, and if I was a company paying for that, that's something I would look out for. So it's still a good idea to on a sample, just to be sure. The best practices for shrink wrap design. Select the material best suited for your container. PVC wrap can only fit on 60% of containers, so, and you and PVC is more cost effective, so designing where am I gonna go with this? Designing, if you are on a budget, designing at more towards a PVC type wrap, you're gonna want to look at the containers that are best suited for it. Paying attention to your seam placement is something to consider, because it's harder to prevent shrink distortion closer to the seam, and you don't want small text or imagery or a continuous graphic going over that. Orient the barcode correctly, because if it isn't printed at a high accuracy, it won't scan properly, so you always want to have it vertically rather than horizontally to minimize distortion whenever possible, especially in an elaborate packaging design. And avoid anything you don't want to be distorted in high shrink areas, such as the grips of the bottles or the neck of a soda bottle. Any time you get those little grips are harder to place. Like, again, small text or any image you really don't want to be distorted. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. And yeah, so thank you.